Welcome to Mandarin Made Easy. Today we will learn a very important but very simple expression how to ask name in Chinese language. We will learn what is your name and my name is blah blah in both formal and informal settings. The good news is that this lesson is totally spoken. You do not need to write or read anything. Simply speak along with me and that's it. And through practice, I will make you speak these sentences by the end of this video. So you may ignore images of this video and just focus on its audio. So please subscribe my channel Mandarin Made Easy and let's go! First, let us start from the easiest way to ask what is your name in casual manner. Only 3 words. 你叫什么? Here, 你 means you, jiào means to be called, and shénme means what. So literally it translates into you are called what. Means what is your name. So first learn this sentence with me, then we will make a small addition in it. 你叫什么？你叫什么？你叫什么？你叫什么？ Once more. 你叫什么？ So can you speak it now? Pause this video for a while and speak it 5 times. And now at the end of this sentence, we will add a word míngzi. Míngzi. Míngzi means name. So now it will be a complete sentence. What is your name? 你叫什么名字? Now word by word it means 你 means you, 叫 means to be called, 什么 means what, and 名字 mean name. So let's practice this sentence. Speak along with me. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Once more. 你叫什么名字？ Now how to respond to this sentence? The word 你 will be replaced by 我 means me. 我叫 blah blah means 什么名字 will be replaced by your name. For example, if your name is Mark, you can say 我叫 Mark. Or if your name is Sarah, you can say 我叫 Sarah. 我叫 David. 我叫 Ali, etc. And now there is a formal way to ask name in Chinese language. And it is a very small sentence, just 3 sounds. It is 您贵姓 Yes, the word ni means you will become nin. This is to show respect. If someone is elder, if someone is senior, and if there is a formal setting, so there you should use the word nin instead of ni. Ni is quite straightforward, okay? Nin kui xìng. Now the word kui means precious, valuable, important, expensive. And xìng means surname, family name. So in formal setting, we are asking surname or family name in Chinese language. So nin kui xìng means what is your surname? Now here you should know that in China, the names of a person has two components. The first part is surname and the second part is given name. For example, if a name of a female, a lady or a girl is Wang Hua, then Wang is her surname and Hua is her given name. So how to respond to nin kui xìng? We will simply replace nin with wo and then say wo xìng Wang, and that's it. So the person can have both answers. First, he or she can tell you the surname like wo xìng Wang, and then they may tell you the given name wo jiào Hua. So the complete name becomes Wang Hua. So let's revise how to ask. In casual way, it is 你叫什么 or 你叫什么名字 and how to respond? 我叫 Daniel, 我叫 Sarah. And in formal style, it becomes 您贵姓您贵姓 The response will be telling your surname 我姓王 or 我姓李 or 我姓张 etc. Now in this formal sentence 您贵姓 we can also add a word in the start. It is Qǐngwèn. Qǐngwèn means may I ask you? It becomes more polite and more formal style by adding Qǐngwèn. Qǐngwèn. So the whole sentence will be 请问您贵姓? Now if I say 我姓马 then what does it mean? Please tell me in comments. So how was this video of today? Do you like it? Please encourage my work by giving me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please tell me in comments. And now let's move on to our next video.